Well, hello people. Uh, Today is May 12, 2019, and I guess it's time to do a little review about what has happened with BTC, the crypto market in general. I have to say, it was very nice to see BTC taking that kind of a rally, especially after so many what was that, 4 months of inactivity, and I am actually super thrilled about what has happened with BTC. Let me just regulate this a little bit. Alright, so let's start with BTC and where I am standing today. Let's just go to a couple of ideas on BTC. This didn't play out, well, but let's go to a chart that I had from November 26, 2018. So the target was 6,400. My first target, if you if you watched my video last week, it was on 59, and then after that it was 64, and obviously we hit a very almost $1,000 higher of that target, which was impressive, I gotta say. But this is where I had my idea, and entry in the lower triangle. I don't know if you can read this. Lower triangle, and which worked out pretty well. And what's happening today with BTC? I'm going to explain two things. One, it's the price action. Since BTC has no real fundamentals, it's really hard to predict where BTC is going to go. The only thing that you can do is price action. My first target was based on this section right here, and I'm super happy that we actually hit the target. I gotta say, I exited at 54 on BTC, but I kept my BCH and other coins that I had, which if you take the dollar amount, it's better because it rallies higher. So, and but where are we today with this price? So it's interesting to see we are hanging on this and right here on these two sections of BTC. My assumption is right now that we will hit the third peak, which is that was my target of 89, somewhere right here. That's where I had my target right now on the daily, on the weekly. So we're still, $2,000 below that. Where I will enter is, I already got out of BCH, by the way. I'm not holding BCH anymore. It's just that was 11% of my portfolio, and I was not going to take that risk anymore. I got BCH at 2, I think the average was 270 something, because I kept on buying little by little. So anyways, I already got out of BCH. I will enter again in the market if we close above 71 on the daily. So 71 should be somewhere right here. If we close above this, I will enter in the market, and I will ride it for a couple more weeks, and I will take my price all the way to 89, which is another 22%. And I probably won't do BCH just because it's expensive. I'll probably get into ETH or BCH again. It's just the percentage is way better. So that's where I am with Bitcoin today, and it's I still think so if we go to this chart right here, you know, I am a long-term trader. I don't look at the 5-minute charts. I don't stress like that. So we are on the monthly. It's very interesting. We hit a couple months ago. I don't know if let's see, I don't think I can make this mine. Unfortunately, I'm not paying. Yeah, I'm not paying for crappy TradingView anymore, so they blocked the ideas that I can copy from others. But anyways, a few months ago I had said that this would be my target on this from 77 64 to 77. So I think we have hit pretty much the lower target that I had for the longer term. I said April or May short, and actually it has been to be April or May short, which we are mid-May today. Last time I shorted BTC, it was on April 22nd, so we are a month behind, and obviously we all know where it went. So this is kind of where we are. So that's where I am with BTC. I really don't have much other than being cautious about right now on the short. I don't want to get caught into this crazy. If we were to look at divergences on the daily, we actually have, we could say it's some divergence. I don't think it's a major, but we have hit a divergence on the daily, and it's on the price. We have like a 45-degree, which is pretty good for a short. Let me see if I can find the angles on this thing. Projection. I don't know where the angles are, but anyways, if you're looking for trend angle, let's see. So the trend, it's not too bad. Let's see and this is, by the way, this is not a logs. I'm not in a logarithmic chart. So it's a 23-degree angle. I thought it was going to be a little higher, but anyways, I would say it's a safer short right now. I know I've been trying to catch the short as well. I haven't entered. My first target was 59. My second target was 64. I didn't expect to go to 74. But again, if we close above 71, I will enter a long again. Until then, I'm not going to get into any longs. I think I'll short the market at this point. I don't think we have recovered. I know a lot of people out there are excited about this. I am also excited about this because that gives me the opportunity to make some money, but I don't really have much expectation after this. So let me remove this real quick. For the other markets, just home. So let's see what I have. So let's do BCH. No thanks. And I am using now, I'm going to use Coinbase just because Binance has been Bitfinex has been a little weird lately, but now the premium is on Coinbase, believe it or not. So let me duplicate this one. So let me show you who's got the higher price now. This is going to be a very boring analysis, by the way. So this is how I do my setups. So I'll explain it to you in a minute. Let's just get all this back. I don't need this one. And triple moving average. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So as I am a Ichimoku junk, as people call it. I love Ichimoku Cloud, and I'm gonna go in the weekly, and I'm gonna show you why I had that possible new. And this is exactly the same chart. So let me delete this one. And so that was the connection that we did before on the crossing. Let me delete this one as well. And I was expecting 5 days, 35 days movement, which it has come to pass. So possible new rally. It was because of the cross, and I said watch for the crossing, and the crossing on the lag line. So we are pretty bullish on BTC right now, and I say bullish, but usually I'm gonna hide this for a minute. So when the lag line, when this black line right here takes a cross on the price, it usually has a reaction. So right now I'm waiting for that reaction. But anyways, I am as I said, right now I am trying to just waiting on a short. I'm not going to long the market at this point unless we close above 71. It's just not safe to long it right now. As you can see, the pivot that I picked for this time it was a 69. That was the first kind of stop that we had, and so I'm assuming it's going to go below that as well. And so yeah, that's what I have for BTC. It's not really a lot of information. We're about to cross bullish on the Ichi cloud, and for this I expect some diagonal movement, but if it fails, obviously it's going to end up dropping. I am still thinking it will drop, but since trading it's a reactionary, since for trading you have to react to what's happening, not necessarily wait so much. So I'm waiting for 71, and I'm trying to probably catch the short above 71 as well. But yeah, for me it has to close above 71. I don't think there is not an option. I think we will end up falling to the 6,000 if we fall, and then for me to go on short, probably if it closes below 69, I'll short the market. Oh well, if I can, because my Bitfinex account, I'm not using it anymore. I'm trying to find another platform to short the market. But anyways, this is what I have for this week, or for the next time. We hit some targets, and we just waiting. I'm just waiting for now. And let's see Forex. If you guys are in Forex, it's going okay. It's just get in and leave it running. Alright people, so this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, you know how to contact me. Enjoy your trading. See you next time.